Hey guys, just doing a short video. I'm going to be replacing the fog lights in my F6. As you can see, they're quite faded. I'm going to be replacing them with these LED fog lights that I picked up from eBay. I can include a link in the description. But they're 9 centimeters in diameter, and yeah, they're the perfect fit. Now, to remove the fog lights, I've got the front bar off, so it makes it a lot easier. After you remove the plug, there are 3 screws holding in this bracket. There's one there, there's one there, and there's one on the other side. So once I've taken that out, I'll show you what we can do next. Alrighty, we've got the fog light out with its bracket. Now we've got to remove these 4 bolts here. So the 3 smaller ones are 7mm and the bigger one is a 10mm. Alright, I'll get that done. Alrighty, so I've just undone those bolts, and now the standard light should just lift out. Just bear in mind the orientation of the connector. So we've got that mirrored on the replacement. Now, to get this in, I found it a little fiddly on one side, but it does get in there. It just takes a bit of work, but it gets in perfectly fine. So we'll get that in there and continue the video. Alright, so I've tightened them up, obviously not too tight, as the fog light assembly is plastic. Now I'll pop that into the fog light housing on my bumper and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so I've installed the fog lights in. Nice and clear. Now I'll go and turn them on so you can see what they look like. Well, this is not going to work out well since the sun's just come out, but you can get an idea of the sort of colour that they give out. They're fairly bright, and I like that sort of white, clear look with that blue tinge. I'll get some more photos and videos up in the night time, and I can really show them off. Alright, thanks for watching guys, bye. Alrighty guys, as promised, I've come out and it's a little darker out, and I've got to say I'm really happy with what they look like, and the light that they give out is nice and white, nice and crisp, and fairly bright. That's just the foggies. Very happy with them. So thanks for watching guys, have a good one.